Unsuccessful plastic surgery in Bollywood. Vani Kapoor. Vani looked really cute in her first film Shuddh Desi Romance, but suddenly she decided to change her look and went for plastic surgery. She did lip and chin lift surgery, and after doing surgeries, her whole career went down as she looks really awful. Vani is now getting less big budget films in Bollywood, and she was last seen in War. Moni Roy. Old film actress Moni has done few plastic surgeries to get success in Bollywood. But her plastic surgeries went wrong and she is now tagged as a new plastic girl in Bollywood. She faced lots of trolling and negative comments just for her new plastic surgery look. Koina Mitra. Lost actress Koina used to experiment with her looks and face. She went to multiple operations and even escaped death by a few inches. But she confessed that plastic surgery was the worst decision of her life because her all surgeries including nose, lips and chin went terribly wrong. This late 90s model turned actress Koina won many hearts by her Saki Saki item song, but she ruined her career by doing unsuccessful cosmetic surgeries. Kangana Ranaut. Leading lady Kangana has changed a lot since she entered in Bollywood. She tried plastic surgeries multiple times and it went more or less successful. But pretty Kangana lost her innocence and charming look after doing plastic surgery. This naturally beautiful actress did breast enlargement, face and chin lift, and lip job. Anushka Sharma. Anushka was trolled when her lip job went wrong and everybody made fun of her as her plastic surgery was one of the worst decisions in her life. After getting trolled, she decided to correct it and never went for any other unsuccessful plastic surgery. Isha Deol. Isha used to be an average-looking girl at her initial days of Bollywood, but when she couldn't do well in Bollywood, she went for plastic surgery to look better and hotter. She went under the scissors and not for once but multiple times. Her plastic surgery went wrong. Rakhi Sawant. Drama queen Rakhi is the victim of wrong plastic surgery as she went through wrong operations. She did for breast uplift, nose job, jawline enhancing, eyelid enhancing, and liposuction to hide her real age. Controversial queen Rakhi looks really odd as her all cosmetic surgery made her plastic girl in Bollywood. Juhi Chawla. Charming actress Juhi never faced bad plastic surgery, but her implant was gone wrong. Juhi wanted more perfect face and body, and for this reason, she wanted to fix her nose and chin. Hema Malini. Dream girl of Bollywood, Hema Ji still looks beautiful and elegant, but half of the credit goes to her Botox. Yes, this is not at all shocking that she couldn't help herself from having Botox. Minisha Lamba. Cute-looking Minisha went for plastic surgery to get a perfect smile and lip, but her cosmetic surgery went wrong. Gauhar Khan. Model and Bollywood celebrity Gauhar went for plastic surgery, but it was not permanent one. She did lip enhancement temporarily. Her lip injection went wrong and she was seen crying in front of the media for that wrong decision. Sophia Hayat. B-grade celebrity Sophia did many plastic surgeries to look more attractive, but her all surgeries went wrong. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.